It's more apparent than ever that not only we must stick together, but also help each other survive this crisis. Simply Organic is committed to supporting our stylists by making it simple for you and your team to continue to earn revenue wherever you are. We launched Holistic Hair Tribe Partner Program so you can grow your business beyond your four walls. I'm Jessica Vogel, and we are grateful we've built this program before this crisis, because now we can help you not just survive, but thrive. With this program, your clients can purchase all of your retail offerings, even when you don't have access to your inventory. You don't have to worry about added customer service, shipping, or returns. We take care of all of that for you. In this video, we're going to show you the 4 easy steps on how to quickly get started and earn from the Holistic Hair Tribe Partner Program. Step 1, signing up. To sign up for the Holistic Hair Tribe Partner Program, you want to go to simplyorganicbeauty.com and then click on Partner Program over here at the top right of the navigation bar. Then it brings you to the Holistic Hair Tribe Partner Program resource page. And we'll go over all of this. I just want to show you where everything is located. So the top part is the registration links. If you're an independent stylist or owner, you would click here. If you're a commissioned stylist, then you would sign up here. And this section is how it works. And we'll go over all of this. This is where you can find the commission structure, so Tier 1 and Tier 2. This is the program benefits section, so it talks about free shipping on all orders over $50. Also, there's a subscription option for your clients, so they can receive auto-shipped products every 30 to 60 days and receive 10% off. This is the FAQs section. So if you get stuck on anything or if your clients ask you any questions, you can refer to this section. If you can't find the answers that you're looking for here, you can always email us at hello@holistichairtribe.com. Okay, so let's go ahead and register for an account. If you're a salon owner, independent stylist, salon suite owner, you qualify for the Tier 1 where you receive 30% commission on all customer purchases, and then you're also able to have a commissioned stylist under you. You'll want to sign up here for the 30% commission. Okay, this is the application, just basic form fields here. And then you'll also notice that this is the cosmetology license number and it is required to qualify for a partner link. On this application, you'll notice that the base commission is 35%. Typically, it's 30% for all salon owners, but we run promotions sometimes, and right now you can see that it's 35%. Okay, now I'm going to show you the commission stylist sign-up sheet. So if you work for a commission-based salon, this is where you will sign up. Okay, it's the exact application requirements, except this one has the 10% commission. So that's how you'll notice if you're on the right link or not. Also, the business name and the salon name owner are very important because this is how we verify who the Tier 1 salon owner is so that everyone gets the appropriate commission. After you fill out all the appropriate form fields, go ahead and hit apply. After submitting your application, you'll receive a pending application email, and your registration will go through an approval process. This can take up to 1 to 3 business days. Once you're approved, you'll get a welcome email that contains instructions on how to reset your password. You'll have to do this before accessing your dashboard, and we'll go over that in just a minute. This is your referral link, which you can shorten in your dashboard. This is your partner code, and these are the options on how to use your referral link and partner code. Down here is payment information, which we will also go over, but this email is like a second resource to you, so if you need a quick reference, then you can just refer back to this email. Okay, so let's go ahead and reset the password so that we can access the dashboard. Just click this link here. It takes you to the login page. You will click Forgot Password. You'll want to enter in the email address that you used when you signed up for your account. Once you enter in your email address, you will receive an email to reset your password. Go ahead and click this option, and then you can go ahead and enter your new password. Congratulations, you're signed up. So in the next video, we're going to go over your dashboard and how to navigate through it. Step 2, navigating through your dashboard. Now that you're on your dashboard, you will see here your referral link and your referral code. You can shorten your link here by clicking on Shorten to bit.ly. This is where you'll notice all of your sales and the commissions and approval. The Creatives tab, you can find new arrivals, monthly and weekly promotions, and the images that you can use on your own social media or your website. The Conversions tab will show you all of your sales. If you click on the conversion ID, it'll show you who made the purchase and the order number. If you click on the commission total, it'll show you all of the products that the client purchased during that sale and the amount of commission that you received from each product. Status means that the payment has been approved or is pending. Payment status means that you have not been paid out for this yet, which changes once a month at the beginning of each month. Payment history simply shows when you've been paid out. There's this messages option here, but we prefer that you just go ahead and email us at hello@holistichairtribe.com for a faster response. Under reporting, there's different ways that you can see your sales and download them for a specific date range. Under settings, this is where you can see your payment settings, change your password, and track customers. In the next video, we're going to go over how to share your link on your website and other marketing platforms. Step 3, how to share your link. To share your Holistic Hair Tribe partner link, use the shortened link here to share it on your social media. So you'll click the link, it shortens it up here, you click copy, and this is the link that you use to share in your Instagram bios and your Facebook. You'll also want to make sure that you include your partner code in your bio as well. So here's an example of the Holistic Hair Tribe Instagram. You notice here is the shortened bit.ly link, and here is the partner code. To attach your partner page to your website, you're going to use the same bit.ly link. So copy it, and then you'll embed it on your website on a separate page. An example is Bloom Hair Design. So they've chosen to name it products. Once you click on it, it brings you right to the Holistic Hair Tribe page. When the client clicks on your partner link through your social media or your website, it automatically applies your partner code at checkout. If your client goes to holistichairtribe.com without using your referral link, they will still have to enter your stylist partner code in order to complete their purchase. This ensures that you get the proper commission and also gives them $5 off of their order. To help market your Holistic Hair Tribe account, under the Creatives tab, we've uploaded pre-made templates and creatives so that you can share on your social media or email marketing. Just click on the image, download creative, and then share away. Another awesome perk is we have an entire Instagram account for Holistic Hair Tribe consumers. If you're a partner, you need to have all of your clients follow this account. We post about all of the current promotions, sales, hair tips, and clean beauty tricks. Basically, it's free marketing for you. So help us help you and have your clients follow at holistichairtribe.com on Instagram and like it on Facebook. Step 4, redeeming your commissions. In order to redeem your Holistic Hair Tribe commissions, you need to meet the $100 commission minimum. If by the end of the month you have not met the $100 threshold, your commissions will roll over to the next month until you meet the minimum. Once this happens, you'll receive an email on the first Monday of the month with instructions on how to redeem your commission, and a Google form that must be filled out and submitted within 3 business days in order to redeem. There are 2 ways to redeem your commissions. The first is by Simply Organic Beauty Credit with an additional 2% in earned commissions to reinvest back into your salon. If you choose this option, on the Friday of the same week, you'll receive an email with your discount code to be redeemed on shop.simplyorganicbeauty.com. If you opt for a check, you'll need to provide a W-9 form once a year. I hope this helps you get started with an additional revenue stream, and we look forward to growing with you. If you have any questions, please email us at hello@holistichairtribe.com, and thank you for being part of our tribe.